Hi everyone, in this video guys I will tell you how to fix always loading stranger screen. First I will show problem and after that I will show you guys solution. You can see the stranger screen is continuously loading. Now go to setting from here. Go to security option. Check it with customized and choose Google DNS. Now reload your browser as well. Now open Omegle website again. I am here to solve your problem. If it does not work for you, just play with setting. You see, for me it does not work, but don't worry. Okay, wait. Now come back again and open setting. Tap on security and change DNS to with current service provider and now see the magic.